Hi guys, this is Citrovia. I am from the Citrovia here. Citrovia at Manhattan West. So there's the west side, and you can see there's a next to there. This is like Moynihan train station. You can see that. Okay. And the next to there, this is pretty, and they open only 2-3 days before. I just asked them, and it's a place. Please stay off grass. It's like stay away, open to the public. How it looks like. And if you see in the top, you can see more ongoing there. You can see that all colors. They made it pretty job though. Here they mention also they open 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. and here you go, like if you want to see inside little more details, and I'll just show that area too. Let's see how it look like. Yeah. So this is really pretty here. There's a lot going on. A lot of lemon here. This is a lot of beautiful lemon. Look at that. It's for they open for how many days? You can send your phone with the QR code. You can see that whole part that came out and came out like who made it, that design. not have any lemons. See, a lot of lemon over here. Yeah. Life better with lemons. Oh, they put the lemon also, the twisting. Look at that. How about this? Did you guys notice they can smell also the lemon? They smell also lemon, right? It's very interesting. This is great that you can get the smell. They put something like perfume, the artificial maybe. You get a smell, the lemon smell, the fresh smell. There are more surprises in the store at Citrovia. Scan the QR code, explore in augmented reality. Fun fact: Citrovia's fantastical lemon trees raise 10 to 20 feet up from the ground. That is bigger than a giraffe. Wow. Just make sure.
Oh my god, it's different color. Oh wow.
Yeah. So make sure one part, whenever you go any places, the like day view and night view totally different. So you see that night now is the night time. It's dark. So then now they're changing the color with the light, and you see how beautiful that is. You can see they're changing that. They're making all blue. It could be changed like the green, red, white, black and blue. This is pretty beautiful. This really does. You can see there is a star also. You can see. There's the back side of that. On the front side you just see, and the back side. They have a seating area too. You can see the seating area. Wow. You wanna try this? Yeah. You have to power on for the scooter and then The Whole Food Market. This is really pretty. Industrial building, grass. This is the backside area also. Look at that. How it's pretty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the Citrovia that's recently opened. I already told earlier. So you can see at the back, you can see the Empire State Building looks really pretty. And the sky is not good. It's like, you know, that rainy today. But thank you again for who already watching for this video and who already didn't subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Be grateful. Peace.